Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Yadav and today I am going to share with you all that how I scored 79 in paper 1 of CA intermediate, that is accountancy, that is accounting specifically. So let's get started that what was my strategy to score 79 marks with self study without taking any coaching for this particular subject. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to consider is that from which source, from where to study, like from which source you have to study. So I would always suggest study from the study material which is issued by ICI itself. So I started with ICI module, and when I started my first lesson, I guess profit and loss, pre-incorporation and post-incorporation profit and loss. So usually people start from there because it is the easiest chapter in the accounting. So I started with the YouTube videos, that whatever the free content is available on YouTube, and I searched for that particular subject, and I got many videos, and I went with those videos which in which I feel that I'm comfortable with and I'm understanding the concept here. And then after that, for every chapter I used to do the same thing. Whenever I complete one chapter, I go for the next chapter on the YouTube and search for that particular chapter for the CA intermediate, and I used to get many videos, and again I go for the video which is very helpful to me specifically. So this is how I completed my syllabus from the YouTube videos. And if you guys want to know that what are those channels specifically that which provide the free content or free resources, or free resources are available for that, then you can comment down below in the comment section term YouTube. Just comment YouTube. The more YouTube comments will be, the sooner the video will get uploaded. Alright, so next is that from after I studied, so what questions I practiced all those study material questions, and I ensured that I have 100% accuracy at least on the study material questions, because study material is a holy book, as I said earlier in my earlier video. So I always ensured from the foundation itself that I have to go with the study material first. I have to complete it with full accuracy, and then after, if I'll get time after completing RTP, MTP and PYQPs, then I'll give a chance to other things like other external materials. But first I have to complete the study material, whatever the documents have been issued by the ICI first. Now diving into the syllabus of the accounting, then I would suggest go with the easiest chapter first, on which you feel that it is easy and short. First complete those chapters, then again jump on the biggest chapters which are tough one, a little tough, or you can say vast one, like balance sheet and cash flow statement. These are vast chapters. And what another chapter is that accounting for incomplete records. This is also a very vast one in terms of understanding also, you can say, and in terms of solving it takes very much time, and the question usually comes around for 15 to 20 marks, I guess, and 10 to 20 marks, the range is between that only. And other chapters are departmental, is somewhat easy, I can say. And other is that and another one, the big chapter is that branch accounting and head office. So that you have to consider. Those are the little big chapters. First you have to go with the smallest chapters, complete them first, and then practice all the questions. And one thing you need to remember, that whenever you are completing any of the chapter, ensure that you have solved all the study material questions. And if you have a time, then at that time only you can solve all the RTP MTPs, but I would not suggest. I didn't went like that. If you have your faculty note, then they have given over there, then you can. Otherwise you don't go for searching everywhere, like you are searching for every chapter's question in RTP MTP of the past years. So don't do that. If you have a faculty note, and in that, after every chapter, those RTP MTP questions are of that particular related lesson is given, or that chapter is given, then you can go with that also. Otherwise, if you are a self-study student, don't go for that now, because you need to explore many things, like you need to search for those questions from those RTPs and MTPs. So don't do it now. I didn't did in that way, but so in my view, I would suggest that self-study students to go with those RTP MTP questions at last, so that it will give a kind of a revision also. And because I went like that only, so you can go with that. Otherwise you can go with another option also, as per your choice, as you feel comfortable. At last, I would like to say that be a game changer in your life. Whatever the resources you are having, in what situation you are, just give your 100% with what you have, and don't complain, and just go with it and give your 100%. and I would say that not immediately, but definitely you will get what you wanted to. So with that, I am signing off. Thank you so much for watching this video.